Hello and welcome to a new video brought to you by CAD/CAM Store. My name is Sven ten Hove and in this video we will show you how to determine the tool center point of a milling robot. Last week we received this beautiful new technomotor from Damen CNC and our robot specialists Robert and Mats have mounted this milling motor onto the robot and determined the new TCP. How to do this yourself, we will show you in two methods. First, we will show you the standard method. You can perform this at your own robotic cell. So you can enter the measured values into the robot calibration app, which is developed by ENCY. With the robot calibration app, you can calculate the TCP and send it to ENCY's MachineMaker. So, for those who are not yet familiar with ENCY Robot, it features a module called MachineMaker, which allows you to create a digital twin of your robotic cell or CNC machine. This digital twin is an exact virtual copy of the robotic cell or CNC machine in your workshop. This digital twin is used by ENCY or ENCY Robot in combination with the 3D model and workpiece to create collision-free toolpaths. You can find several videos on how to use MachineMaker on the ENCY YouTube channel. You can click on the info icon in the top right corner of this video. To determine the TCP, ENCY has developed a robot calibration tool. Can you explain me how it works?
Yeah, sure. In order to calibrate the TCP, we have to do a couple of measurements. First, we have the short spike. We plug it into the robot and we get as close as possible to the calibration point. We do that 4 times with 4 different orientations. After that we get an XYZ coordinate for this tool. After that we do it with the long spike, we do the exact same. We take 4 points, we get an XYZ coordinate. And after that we fill it in the robot calibration application.
There's an app for that?
Yeah, it's called...
I will show the app in the video.
Yeah, perfect. And after that it will calibrate and calculate the TCP of the spindle of exactly that point.
Okay. In addition to the standard calibration method, we will also show you how the TCP is determined with our LEONI calibration system. This allows us to determine the TCP very accurately at various angles. A very interesting process for anyone who wants to get started with ENCY Robot, I would say. So let's see how it's done. So this is the manual option. Yep. We also offer a much more accurate option that's measuring with the LEONI laser TCP system.
Yep.
Can you explain me the benefits of the LEONI to the manual TCP calibration?
Yeah, the manual TCP calibration, you do it with your eye, it's like eyeballing around the point. And with the LEONI, it goes automatic and with laser, so that ensures a way more accurate TCP calibration.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for the explanation.
Yeah.
I hope this video has given you a better idea of how the determination of the TCP works. If you have any questions about this video, ENCY Robot or about robot milling in general, please let us know. For now, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.